everyone. We have this controller widely used for transport refrigeration, mostly from China units. Let's check it out. 20. This is the box temperature right now. This is the set point, and this is the battery voltage. This is the hour meter return. This is the supply temperature. How to set the defrost? Just press the one and set the F1. F1 is the defrost. This is the defrost interval, meaning we have 360 minutes defrost interval, and we have defrost execution. The F2 is 1 minute, and with the upper and lower set point is F7. This is the upper set point, the maximum set point you can put, and F8 is the minimum set point you can put. We have 5, meaning you can set the temperature only from 5 to 30. Let's check it out. The temperature just you can set until 5, but you can check the minimum. You can change the minimum temperature through the F08, but for this unit, this only intended use for chiller. That's the reason why we set only the lower set point is 5. But if you use for the freezer, you can adjust the F08 into -20 -30. That's 5. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'm sorry for the way I deliver. I hope you can gain some idea in this video. Thank you.